Welcome to your first look at the updated GoPioneer SmartWiFi app, your all-in-one solution for managing your home Wi-Fi experience. We've refreshed the main dashboard to make it faster, smarter, and easier. Now, everything you need, from managing Wi-Fi settings to connected devices and user profiles, is right at your fingertips, all in one place. Swipe through the new Quick Links carousel to instantly access your most used tools and features. Pay your bills, manage devices, set up and share guest Wi-Fi for visitors, and more. Just slide and tap. The People section is a powerful tool to personalize, monitor, and control your internet use for you and your family at home. Here you can create profiles for each family member and check who is online, paused, and offline. Tap any profile to view their device usage, pause or resume their access, or even set parental controls in seconds. The Announcements section keeps you updated with the latest service announcements, new features, and exclusive offers. All are designed to help you get the most out of your internet experience. The Solution tiles display smart home features tailored to improve your experience. This is where things get even smarter. These tiles provide access to enhanced tools and features, like security settings, device engagement monitoring, performance optimization, and more. Whether you're protecting your family from online threats or making sure your internet holds up in those important meetings, this section helps you stay in control with ease. That's it. Now you are in complete control of your connected experience, all from the new GoPioneer SmartWiFi app dashboard.